Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Royal Dots by GDC. So this continues our Sudoku rules do not apply theme week, where we're doing Sudoku-like puzzles that have some twist to them that makes them not a Sudoku, but still somewhat familiar. So today is a Suguru. I don't know if that's how that's pronounced. Could be Sugaroo, for all I know. Anyway, let's go over the rules. We need to fill each region. So a region are these cells that are surrounded by bold outlines. Fill each region of size n with the digits 1 to n once each. So this is a 5-cell region. So n is 5. So we might do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It doesn't matter what order, obviously, but we need 1 through 5 once each. In this region is size 4, so we need 1 through 4 in it. All right, digits in rows and columns may repeat. So rows and columns can repeat digits. I can do 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. What I can't do is repeat in a region. Regions don't allow it. So this is the maximum ones I could put is 3 in that row. All right, but the same digit can't touch itself, even diagonally. So we can't do a 1 and a 1 here, and we can't do a 1 and a 1 here, because then they would be touching. All right, we also have our standard crop key dots here. So digits separated by a white dot are consecutive. So if this is a 2, this could be 1 or a 3 in order to be consecutive with 2. And black dots have a 1 to 2 ratio, meaning one is exactly double the other. So if this was a 2, this could be 1 because 2 is double 1, or this could be 4 because 4 is double 2. And that's it. I guess I should say not all the dots are necessarily given. If this was 2, 4, there isn't a black dot between them. That's perfectly fine. That can be the solution. If this was 2, 3, there's not a white dot. That's also perfectly fine. All right, and that is it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, I think starting with the small regions is a good idea. What is our largest region? I see a lot of 5s. This is 4, 4, 5. So we're never going to have a digit bigger than 5, which is good to know. A lot of these regions are 5 in size. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to color. Let's not color the regions yet. Let's not worry about that. The smallest regions, though, we have a region of size 1, so that's just a 1. This is a region of size 2, so that's going to be 1 and 2. 5, 5, 5, 5. And so these are both regions of size 4. So I'm going to put 1 through 4 in there, and then we'll just remember that 5 is the biggest digit. So we can see this one touches all 3 of these, so these aren't a 1. That puts a 1 on one of these two. Okay, so this cell here touches the entirety of our 1, 2, 3, 4 quad, essentially, because it touches the whole region that's size 4. So this can't be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So it has to be a 5. And I think this is the same. It touches all of those 4. So that's a 5. All right. And so now these are 1, 2, 3, 4, which I'm going to just be crazy about penciling here. This 1 removes 1 from all of its surrounding digits. So there's a 1 on one of these two. All right. This is not necessarily a quad because we can repeat in rows, which is a good thing because we only have 1 through 4 for a 6-cell row. This 1, 2 is interesting because it means this can't be 1 or 2, right? If I tried to put a 1 here, it would remove 1. It would see wherever this 1 goes, like it would touch it. And a 2 would be the same over here. So these aren't 1 or 2, so they're from 3, 4, 5. Now, black dot is interesting. We could never put a 5 on a black dot because we can't have it to 2.5. We can't double it to 10. 4, we could have to 2. 3, we double to 6, but there's no 6 in this puzzle. 5 is max. So this is a 4, and that's a 2. So that cannot be a 4, and none of these are 2. So that places the 2 here, which means none of these are 2. All right, that's not a pair. This white dot, maybe? Okay, so what I can't do is put a 4 on this white dot, because if I try to put a 4 on the white dot, I'd also have to put a 3 on it, and this wouldn't have any value left. Probably another way to put that, but it does mean there's no 4. Let's see, this 5. Is there anything else I can see here? That means, okay, so that means this is 1 or 3, so this has to be the 2. Which removes 2 from there. All right. 1, 3, 4. All right, there's probably other places to look here. Where should I look? I got this 4. So these aren't 4. So 4 is in one of these two. And wherever that 4 ends up, it's going to touch this cell. So this can't be a 4. Now 4 is in one of these 3. So this cell can't be 1 or 4 because the 1 and the 4 go here in this region somewhere. So this can't be 1 or 4. So this can be 2, 3, or 5. Oh, this cell here I'm noticing touches almost the entirety of this region. And since this is size 5, this is size 5, they have the same digits as each other. So I'm going to mark this as green. These are the same digit as each other. Oh, and this sees almost the entirety of this region. So this is the same digit as well. Basically, whatever this digit is, it can't go in these 4 cells, so it has to go here. And then whatever, and that same digit isn't in these 4 cells, so it goes here. So we can fill 2, 3, 5 into all of them. This can't be 2 because of the region. So we can remove 2 from all of those. So it's odd, meaning this is even. So 2 and 4 are the only even digits, and this can't be 4. So that's 2. That's a 3-5 pair in the not the column, but in this region it's a 3-5 pair. Basically, where does 5? Where does 1 go? It goes here. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Oh, this 2C's here. There's probably a lot of touching I haven't quite done. I probably should follow up a little better on placing digits. These aren't 3. Takes 3 from all those. 2. 2C's here, so that's 1 and that's 2. Okay, I'm just going to double check a lot of the digits I placed to make sure I've handled the no touch rule correctly. This has to be the same as this. I don't know if it's the same as green or not, but these two are the same digit as each other because this needs to go somewhere in this region, and it's not 2, and it's not these 3, so it goes here. They do match each other already, though. Let's see. Oh, but this can't be 4, so neither of these are 4. Okay. They could all be 3s, so I gotta be careful. Green could be purple. Are there any other touchings that I can clear up here? Not that I'm immediately seeing. This is a 1, 2, 4, yeah, so that's 3, 5. That's fine. Neither of these are 2. That's it, though. I can't remove anything else. That means 2's up here. There's got to be something a little bit more interesting to do here. How about this cell? Because it's touching a 1, 2, 3, and 5, so 4 is the only option. Okay. And that leaves a 1, 3, 5. Oops, what's 9? This leaves a 1, 3, 5 here. Keep wanting to make pairs and triples and stuff in the columns and rows, but that's not how this game works. This can't, these two can't be 3 because there's 3 here. And so that makes green a 3. Okay, perfect. So we don't have to call it green anymore. That's a 5. So these are from 1, 2, 4, 5. These aren't the 2. So these are 1, 4, 5. Now, can I do more about that? Yeah, this can't be 1. There's got to be like something touching something that I haven't seen. 1, 5 pair. Oh, okay. So this 1, 5 pair means that their 5 is here or here. Wherever the 5 ends up, that's going to touch this one. So that's a 4, not a 5. Now that 4 touches here. Be really careful about this. 2 with a 1, 3. Oh, this is a 1, 3 pair in this region, so this has to be the 4. Rather, where does the 4 go? That makes this a 3. So none of these are 3 for the region. 1C's here, 5, 3. Looking for more touchings. Not quite seeing it. Okay. Whatever this purple is, can I do more with that? Sorry, this touches a 1. It's so easy to just miss those things. All right, so that's a 1. These aren't 3s. We can't have both of these be 1, but we could do 4, 5. So I don't think that's super helpful. Ooh. A 1 here would make this 2 and 5. Okay, let's fill this out. This is 1, 2, 5. So anything? What's touching what? This 4, this 2, this 3. I'm looking for. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to highlight every digit. So 1s, do you see anything? No. 2s. No. 3s. I don't think we have any more 3s to place. 4s. Oh, yeah, this 4C's here. Okay, so that's 1, that's 4. That 1 gives us 5 and 1. And now this is 2 and 5, giving us the 4 and the 1 here. So this is the 1 in this area. 2 it sees here, so that's 1 and that's 2. 4 sees here, so that's 2 and that's 4. And we're done. Perfect. All right. Nice puzzle, GDC. This is a fun Sudoku-ish puzzle, but not really Sudoku, but you can kind of use the same variants like Kropki in it, which is neat. All right, cool. Well, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.